Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're gonna go ahead and take these bar stools and try to fix them up as much as possible. As you can see, they've definitely seen some wear and tear during their times, as well as being dirty. So we're definitely gonna try to take as much of this old finish off, try to get all that natural wood to shine before we stain these again and give them a new face. So first thing we're gonna do here is take the chairs completely apart. Luckily they're all held together by some hex screws. Those will be easy to take off and put back in. Uh, and we're gonna go ahead and sand everything down. Try to take as much of that old finish on as you can see here. Just having one piece, you can already see the drastic difference from the old finish to just having bare wood. Taking off all this old finish is definitely a tedious task, but it's definitely worth it at the end. You'll see the huge difference that you'll see as side by side compared to here. You can already see that just looking at your right to your left, you can see how well this looks like it's gonna come out. Now that all the wood is completely sanded down, we can go ahead and move on to the next step, which will be staining the wood. Now what we're going to use on this wood is a gel stain. Not really a big fan of gel stains. I bought this earlier on and didn't find it to my liking, so it's just been sitting here inside my cabinet for a while, and I thought this will be a good way to use it all up. And luckily towards the end there was just enough to finish all three of these bar stools with this gel stain, so got some good use out of that gel stain. And now that we're almost done with staining our chairs, it's about time we put them all back together. See how well they turned out. Look at this difference. This looks beautiful on these bar stools. And so with all that done, we can finally put the bar stools back together, and this is what they'll look like at the end. The cushioning themselves was just a little bit dirty, but aside from that, I thought giving it a good cleaning, it still worked perfectly fine. The cushions are fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.